Guys, let's see how to fix Instagram story not uploading issue in iPhone. So first of all, make sure that your internet is working. To check that, what you can do, you can just open any browser and open any website and see that it works or not. Another thing to note is what you can do. You can just, if you are, let's say you are posting a story, okay, and you have added a music, try to remove that music and try to use another music. Maybe that music is not available, and then try to repost it, and then the problem may be fixed, because many users have said that the story which they are posting, the song was not available, and that's why this problem was there. So try to change that music and see if the issue is resolved or not. Another thing to check is just close the Instagram, force close the Instagram and open the Instagram app again and try to post the story again and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching.